Hello, everyone. I want to give you some information on what to do if your file name is not accepted by the SAM program and you can't upload your work. So what you're going to do, here's a typical assignment, SAM Project 1B Word Module 10. I'm going to go ahead and hit download all. So it's downloading a start file, an instruction file, plus a couple of support files. So here they are over here, and you can just click on the instruction file, of course. So here it is right here. And then, of course, we know that we always have to take the number 1 and change it to a number 2 at the end of the file name. Well, there are times when for some reason the file name will not be accepted. So I want to show you kind of a workaround for that. So I'm going to actually go back over to the upload page, and I'm going to open up this file right here. It's not the support files, it's this one here, the 10B. So I just double clicked it to open it. It's taking its sweet time. There it is. I'm going to hit enable editing. Then I'm going to do a file, save as, go to downloads and say, instead of getting rid of the number 1, let's just say I put a 2 at the end of it. Okay. And I didn't get rid of the number 1 and I hit save. All right. Well, I've got an incorrect file name. It's not going to upload. I close out of this, drag and drop the file here, and then I see how that there's a 2 at the end of it. Let's try it, see if it works. Nope, I'm going to get an error. So I want to make sure that the file name is perfect. So sometimes when you're trying to make sure the file name is perfect and you're working in File Explorer here, and you're renaming it here, you could make a mistake. So an easier way to take care of this and to do this is we're going to go to File Explorer and actually we're going to go back to the upload page. And here's the perfect file name. All right, this is the expected file name. So what I want to do is I want to highlight, select the expected file name all the way up to the number 2. I'm not going to worry about the extension. It's docx actually is the extension. You see part of it on 2 different lines. All right. But I'm just going to select all the way up to the number 2. And I want to copy that because that's the perfect file name that I need. And I'm going to do a Control-C to copy. And then I'm going to go to File Explorer. And here's the one that has the imperfect file name. I'm going to right click. I'm going to hit Show More Options. And I'm going to pick Rename from the list, from the menu here. And it gives me a chance to rename this file. Whenever it's highlighted in blue, that gives you an opportunity to either type over it or paste a new file name. Well, in this case, I'm going to paste the perfect file name. So I'm going to hold down the Control key on my keyboard, Command key if you're using a Mac, and it's the letter V as in Victor, Control V. And now I have the perfect file name with the 2 at the end of it. And I'm going to hit Enter. So there's the perfect file name. Now I'm going to go back to the upload sheet and I'm going to click here again. And here's the one with the perfect file name. It's located in the downloads folder. I'm going to select it, click open. And now I know for sure that the file name has been accepted because it says saved files. And you see the submit button, submit for grade. So I can hit submit. And then it says submission successfully graded. So that is how you get the perfect file name.